Greetings of the day, dear children. Let's start today's topic, a new topic, that is chapter number 6, Sound and Animation in PowerPoint. As you all know, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint in MS PowerPoint, it helps us to create, design and organize our presentation in a graphical way. We can insert audios, videos and pictures to describe our documents. How to start the PowerPoint? The basic step is click on Start button, All Programs, MS Office, and then select MS PowerPoint. Now, as you all know, for that first you have to create a new presentation. How to create a new presentation? Open your PowerPoint MS window, and where from your start menu, when you'll click this window, this type of window will appear in front of you. The first picture of the PowerPoint will come in front of you by this blank presentation. Now here, when you will see on this bar, you will click on the design tab. When you click on the design tab, so many different themes will come in front of you. Just select the desired theme of your choice and you can start making your own presentation. There are different layout of the slides also. What type of slides you want to show, what type of presentation you want to show, according to that you can choose your slide layout also. There is one title slide in which only title comes, then title and content, both you want to show, title plus content, the explanation also. Then section header is there, to content, comparison, title only, blank. So many different slide layouts are there. Select your own slide layout according to your content and then start working on it. This is how, means whatever the view, whatever the layout you will choose, it will look up like this, and then do the needful working, and after that click on file tab. From file tab click on save option. Your presentation will get saved. Now this was the basic thing, basic PowerPoint presentation. Just to make it more attractive, more beautiful, we apply some slide transition in our presentation. What are slide transition? Slide transition are special effects which helps our slide look more attractive, more beautiful. How to do that? From how to apply slide transition? First, whatever the slide you have made, open that slide. Then you have to click on the transition tab. Click on the transition tab. Now you will think, where is the this transition tab appears? See there, here, like your file, home, insert, design. This is your transition tab. You will click on the transition tab. After that, transition tab dialog box will appear. From that, just click on the more button option. A drop down menu will come in front of you. See, so many transition effects will come in front of you. By written, cut, fade, means how you want your slides to appear. कि आपने उसे क्लॉकवे में डिस्प्ले करना है, चेक बोर्ड में डिस्प्ले करना है, पुश करना है, फेड करना है. So many options are there. Just select the desired slide transition option and it will be applied to your slides. After that is your if you want to apply only for one, then that is also possible, and if you want to apply for all slides, whatever the number of slides you have made, so you will click on the apply to all option. That can be done. Now next topic is changing various slides parameters. Means we can also add sound effects in it. We can also change the duration, ki after how many seconds or minutes our next slide should appear on the screen. That can also be added. How you want your slide to change? On mouse click, means when you click from your mouse, then only your next slide will come, or you want it should come on its own. So you have to set the timer ki after these many seconds or after these many minutes your next slide should come. You will click on this, and you want to apply it to only all slides, you will click on the apply to all option. This is how you will do the changes of slide transition. To add the sound, you will click on this arrow button. From here you just select the sound of your choice from the drop down menu, and that can be applied to your slides. So this is how you can add the sound to your slides. Durations and advanced slides mean how you want your next slide to come in front of you. These all can be done under slide transition parameter. Next topic is our using animation. Animations are also available in PowerPoint. It helps this slide transition is applied to whole slide, and animation can be applied to individual objects means like if you have made a slide in which pictures are there and content are there, आपने कोई picture paste करी और उसके बारे में you are explaining the thing, so two objects are there, explanation and picture, so we can apply individual effect to all these. So how to do it? You will click from where, next to your transition option, your animation tab is available. Click on this animation tab and then you will get this desired option. Just select the object on which you want to apply, then click on the animation tab, and from there you will get a dialog box in front of you like this. Whatever the animation you want to apply to your object, just click on it and then it will be applied to your object. Similarly, you can apply it to your different object. Then changing the time settings for the first text box means, see here they are just explaining it with the example. They have written two text, keep clean, and keep cleaning they have written some content. So for that they are explaining it here. Now you can add your desired options from here. Start on click when you want it to start, on click or automatically, till what duration, and till how much time you want to delay it. All these things can be done. We can change the timing settings whenever we want to change. You just have to go to the animation tab and do the needful. And there are so many animation effects are there, like adding emphasis, exit, motion path. All these you will find in your animation tab. Entrance, they have explained you the entrance animation, then they have explained you the motion path animation, entrance, how to apply it, they all have explained here. This is how these all options you will find under the animation tab. You just need to select the desired option of your choice and that can be done. After that is adding sounds in your slides. You want to add any audio, you want to add any song to your slide. How to do? For that you just have to click on the insert tab. From insert tab, click on the media group and then audio button. You will get an audio button here, this sound option, and then click on the audio button. You will get the desired from where you want to select. Then you have to search for the file name, and from file name just select the sound of your choice. Whatever song, whatever audio you want to insert, that can be inserted in your the slide and it will be playback. You just have to, and if you you just have to click on the play button. You want it to be click on automatically or on the mouse click, that can be done. This is how you can add the sound to your presentation. If you want to insert a photo album, next topic is if you want to insert a photo album, how to do that? Similarly, you will first click on the insert option. From there you will click on the photo album option. From photo album, a dialog box will come from where you want to insert a file. You just have to mention the file folder name here, and then the dialog box will appear in front of you. Select the desired picture of your choice, means from your computer you want to paste any picture. So for that you just need to enter the file or folder name here. Then this box will open. Select the picture of your choice. It will be applied to your presentation. This is how you can apply the presentation. By this we have come to the end of the chapter. This is how you can add the sound and animation to your presentation. This video is related to the theory part of this chapter. In my next video I will be explaining you about the practical also. Study your chapter well. Have a nice day.